Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve mock test number 15 of class 6 mathematics, DAV Public School, Cuttack for your annual exam 2025. So let us start the session. First question number 1. If 0.5y equal to 1.5, then find the value of y. So how to solve? First of all, write down the question. 0.5y equal to 1.5. We know that if here is multiply, if we divide 0.5, then it will be cancelled. So we can write 0.5y divided by 0.5 is equal to 1.5 divided by 0.5. Yes or no? Now 0.5 cancel. So y equal to 15 divided by 10 divided by 5 divided by 10, because when we convert decimal to fraction, then it will be divided by 10. Now if the two fractions are divided, if we multiply, then the second fraction it will be reciprocal, that is 10 by 5. Now 10 cancel, 5 3 ja, so answer is 3. So y equal to 3. Yes or no? Next question. If x plus 2.4 divided by 2 equal to 3, then find x. Okay. If we multiply 2 both sides, then 2 will be cancelled. Yes or no? So now x plus 2.4 equal to 3 2 is 6. Now x plus 2.4 minus 2.4, it will be cancelled. Yes or no? Now we subtract 2.4 from the right side. So left side is x equal to 6.0, because 6 means 6.0, 2.4 subtract 6. Here is 3. So answer is 3.6. Next question number 3. Solve 0.5x equal to 25. So first of all, same question. First we divide. 0.5x divided by 0.5 equal to 25 divided by 0.5. Now 0.5 cancel, x equal to 25 divided by 5 by 10. Now we can write 25 into second one, it will be reciprocal, that is 10 by 5. So 5 ja, 5 10 ja 50. So answer is 50. Next question. Solve and check. Okay, so first we solve 1 minus 4x equal to minus 11. This is very important question. So first of all we write 1 minus 4x. If we minus 1, then it will be cancelled. Same way we minus 1 right side. Now the left side is minus 4x equal to same sign addition, that is 11 plus 1, that is 12, same sign. Now x equal to minus 4x divided by minus 4 equal to minus 12 divided by minus 4. Now minus 4 cancel, so x equal to 3. Now verify or check. First write down LHS. 1 minus 4x, that is 1 minus 4 into 3, 1 minus 12, that is minus 11, equal to RHS. Now LHS equal to RHS proved. Next question. Y plus 3 by 2 equal to 5. Solve and check. So first of all we solve y plus 3 by 2 equal to 5. Now tell me y plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, then 5 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 cancel. So y equal to LCM is 2, 2 5 ja 10, because here is 1. So 2, that is 3, 7 by 2. Now check LHS, that is y plus 3 by 2, 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is LCM is 2, 7, 3, 10, 5 equal to RHS. Now verified. Okay, next question. To solve the equation x plus 3 equal to 8, we first add dash to both sides. If we solve r means minus 3. If we add minus 3, then it will be cancelled, yes or no? So answer is minus 3. If the question asks what we subtract in the both sides, then only 3, not minus 3. If you add, then minus 3. Okay, now the solution of 3z equal to 15. So z equal to, if you divided by 3, then it will be cancelled. So z equal to 5. Now x plus 8 by 2 equal to 4.2. So first of all write down x plus 8 by 2 equal to 4.2. You can solve by the starting method, or you can solve by the other method, that is x plus 8. Here is division 2. If we go to the right side 2, then it will be multiply, because division opposite is multiply. So 4.2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 8. Yes or no? Now x equal to how much? Now 8 is added to x. It will be go to the right side and it will be subtraction. So 8.4 minus 8, that is 0.4. Okay. Now if 3x plus 11 equal to 14, then x kete. Okay, 3x plus 11 equal to 14. So tell me what is 3x? Now 14 minus 11. Now 3x equal to 3. So tell me what is x? Now x equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. So answer is 1. All of you clear? Now the last question. If p minus 9 equal to minus 2, then find the value of 3 by 7 p minus 4. First we solve p minus 9 equal to minus 2. So what is p? Now p means minus 2. Here is minus means addition, that is 9. So answer is 7. Now 3 by 7 into p value is 7 minus 4. So 7 cancel, 3 minus 4. So answer is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. So completed. If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. Also you can practice up to mock test 15. You can go to the playlist and check out. Okay. So best of luck for your exam. Take care. See you soon.